Doing the flourish. Okay. Okay, so we're on like with good time right now. So let's see. See, normally I'd be on and be like, okay, let's try and get the bamboo. But this is the first Saturday where I don't have to worry about that. So now I'm like, what do I do? What can I do in this amount of time? Let's go for a couple challenges. I'll get KK later. Hello. How are you doing? I'm still half asleep, so don't mind me. Okay, that's another one. Can definitely sell the shells. I want to see if I can get a request though. I don't know, the last few weeks I've been able to get a request. Like, in this short amount of time I do these Saturday morning streams. So let's see if we have that same luck today. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay. Sweet. That worked. It's much better than the migratory locust. It's the first person I talked to. What are the chances? Like, seriously. So I'm still looking for a recipe. But we can do recipe, at least one request for Goldie. Wait, why am I talking to her? Yeah, I am really racking up the miles. I was like, oh yeah, I'd love to max out my miles. And then the update news yesterday, it's like, nope, I'm going to be using these miles. I'm going to be using a lot of these miles. Speaking of the update, I've had more thoughts. You know, before your island store would only have one variant available. And like with the paid DLC, you can get like hard to find items, but I don't really know what that means. I don't know if that's like non-island variant things, or if it's just specific furniture you're not gonna find anywhere else. And if it is stuff you're not gonna find anywhere else, then I don't know, maybe it's different. I was thinking like with Reese and Cyrus, can they just like modify furniture and give you the other variants? Because they showed it with the Nook Stop item. So I'm like, well, what about regular furniture? That it's like such a pain to get everything for. Just thinking, maybe that would work. That'd be kind of cool, if you ask me. Okay, so that's all junk. I have a bunch of butterflies outside. I could use them. I'm just going to do some other stuff. And if I don't find one, then I can grab one. Garden wagon. I have that, right? Yeah. Oh man. I'll get those last few one day. One day. I like that you can get the double wave reaction coming up soon. That was like, why can't we do that one? Okay, so we got 5 there. There you go, that's 10. Good stuff. Alright, here's a lame old common butterfly. Perfect. I think it'd be hilarious if I tried to get 2 requests in right now. I always say, oh, Saturday, there's no time, there's no chance. I don't know, I guess like, either I do challenges or I do more of those. Oh, I haven't hit the rocks. Like, I have 530,000 miles. That's pretty good. But, yeah, those are gonna go down a lot. I'm gonna have to spend like a fiend. Like, big fiend. I'm looking for the recipe outside still, I think. It must be down here somewhere. Okay, there we go. My inventory is kind of gross right now, and this goes against what I want to do, but let's just see. Oh, we got the 5K, so that's cool. Do I even want to hit the rocks anymore? I don't have to, but I might need this stuff. I don't know. I got lots to think about. I got lots to think about. There's just so much new stuff on the way. I have like a small plan. Very basic though. But I need to reassess my pumpkins, make some sort of farm space for all the ingredients, and then the day before the update when I can get it, I will stream that night and we'll do a bunch of stuff and try to figure things out. I'll try to figure things out, and then eventually people will write articles, and eventually those articles will be true and not just garbage. That's the worst part. I don't know why, but Animal Crossing always, like, lately it seems to have just bad resources. People just say things, and then people believe them, and then they get spread around, and then you're left with the whole, you just keep reacting at Wilbur or whatever until he gives you a smile, and then you can get a rare island. Like, that's not a thing. But, yeah, I mean, I just wonder about, like, what's going on that island each day. Because when I saw Red there, it didn't look like he had all 4 paintings? I have no clue. But if it still works on the same percentage and he's there every day, technically that means I should have more luck. Just means I have to go there more often. I'm still trying to figure out which ordnance to use, because like sometimes I'm late. But if I'm damn late, then like doing this would be bad. I wouldn't have time to check things this morning. So, yeah, there's a lot of give and take. There's a lot of things to think about. We got the recipe, we got the rocks, we got our points. We did one request. Putting all of our stuff away. Alright, not bad. Storage is very close to full, but we'll be okay for at least today. We got like 5 minutes until KK opens. I guess I'll just clean these up real quick. We don't have a lot of weeds on the island. I don't feel like working for them. I guess I can talk to people real quick. It's pretty easy to do. Wow, we got a lot of flowers there. I did not think about that. I'm gonna need to put something in place there. The crabs were keeping them together. Oh, the... What are big point items? I need to... Okay, I don't know what good items are for this. Let's see, can I find this out very quickly? Because I could just like drop furniture everywhere and hope for the best. But I don't know if that would work very well. I'm just looking for like high point items. Rare furniture. Anything that includes star fragments, stuff from fishing tourneys. Ugh, I don't want to do this. This is not what I want to do right now. This is very, very bad. I need to like move these to my other guy's house or something. Yeah, we're not gonna do this right now. I could just drop like a bunch of items and hope for the best, but I don't want to do that. We don't have time. We go in here, check out. I mean, I'm just here for candy, really. I don't think I'm gonna see the new things on the left there, right? So, we are just here for candy. Alright, well, that's 15 minutes. That's gonna do it for today. I can't say that I got a lot done, but, you know, that's how it is. We just get our dailies done. Smile Isle, we went up 1 at least, and here we went up like 6. That's something. I did get more than 30 yesterday, but whatever. So I will be on later today to get KK. It'll be off stream. And then I'll be on tomorrow night to do the usual stuff. So we'll just get our requests and work on challenges. And then the following week will be a weird one. It'll be a very weird week. I'll be streaming later, most of the time. And we'll just see what comes up. But we're gonna just keep working on the challenges, deal with our visitors, and see what happens, right? It'll be interesting to see what happens in the future. Anyway, that's gonna do it for me. So I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.